Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw on a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture, press on draw down below. Now you can manage here the brush size and the brush color if you press on the color option, and after that you can just go back to the brush section and you can just draw anything here. You can manage the brush size, you can make it wider, smaller, any way you want, and you can draw anything there. You can also manage here the opacity. Basically you can make it less visible, for example, and you can also manage the feather as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.